Hey guys, it's Erica, and today's video is going to be a little bit different considering that it's not really as much of a plant video as it is a clean with me video. So if you're familiar with clean with me videos, it's pretty much just watching someone clean. This is just going to be a planty version of a clean with me because I like to watch clean with me videos when I'm cleaning, and you know, if you have some plant stuff you need to clean up, now's the time to do it, bud, because honestly, you probably have some shelves to clean yourself. Like, this whole thing needs to get worked on because I haven't cleaned it in a long time. My plants are not arranged properly, and there are some plants on the floor. They don't even have a spot on the shelf. So I need to figure something out with that, and you know, I was like, might as well film it, hopefully give you some inspiration to get done something you've been procrastinating on with your plants, because it's very easy to do so. It's very easy to let go of cleaning your shelves and watering, and you know what I'm saying. So yeah, this is just gonna be a video of me cleaning. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you clean along with me, and hopefully today we could get a lot done. Okay, let's go. So this is what I'm working with right now. That's my broom. I brought it in here and it fell. But I have all these plants here. I have these like soil supplies, some shears that I need to get cleaned up. Yeah, there's a grow light back there, so don't be like, girl, that's gonna die. But yeah, this needs a lot of help, and there are some sick plants in here too that I need to take better care of. So hopefully we're gonna get this all cleaned up and it's gonna look nice and tidy by the end of this video. Here, as you can see, I've cleaned off the first top two shelves, and there's kind of a lot of debris left over. There's some old flower petals from my begonia, and there's some fresher ones along with the old ones, which kind of lets you know how long it's been since I've cleaned these shelves last. So yeah, let's keep going. So at this point, I was kind of running out of space on the floor to put my plants without trampling on them while trying to clean my shelves. So I decided this was time to start wiping them down. I used this Myers Clean Day and then a rag. And I just like using this spray around my plants because I feel like it's safer. It's not really as harsh of chemicals as other cleaners, and it smells really good. So I just wiped those down and got them ready to start putting the plants back so that I could finish cleaning the other two shelves. Alright, so the shelves are pretty clean. They're not 100% like sparkling, but it's good enough. So I'm gonna start putting plants back up on the shelves. This top one here is kind of like my plant hospital. It's where the sad plants go because it's kind of close to the humidifier, and also you can't see this shelf when I film my videos so I don't have any ugly plants in the frame. But yeah, I'm gonna put some up there, and then the second one is kind of for plants who need some more light or less, because the farther down on the shelf the more light they're getting, since the light comes through from the top all the way down to the bottom. you'll kind of notice that I start struggling here with plant placement, and that's because I have way too many plants on these shelves. I need to really choose which ones I should keep there and which ones need to be moved to a different room, because it's getting really hard. It's like doing a puzzle trying to get all these plants on this shelf. So yeah, I just spend a little while trying to make them all fit. I've cleaned off the last shelf, and I tried to kind of fix the cords there because they get a little bit tangled. I have them clipped down, and I end up clipping down another cord so that it's easier to turn off like one specific light instead of just having them all on or all off. And yeah, make it just look a little bit, tiny bit neater. There's not much more I can do. Throughout the time that I was like placing the plants and moving them around, I was kind of taking note of which ones needed water so that when I finally finished putting all the plants where they belonged, I could water the ones that needed water. And it was a lot easier by putting a tray underneath and then just filling it up until some water poured out into the tray, because I wasn't trying to take all these plants to the sink. Okay, so here are the final results. Everything's clean. The plants that needed to be watered are watered. This is my sick plant. Sick plant slash plants that didn't fit under their little hospital. This one's not sick. Actually, a lot of these aren't sick. This one's just struggling, but this guy is sick. I don't know if you heard me talk about it before, but I have a problem with underwatering in these little containers, and I think that's what happened here. But I'm trying to save this little guy because I love him, my little Prince of Orange. And then this is my Hoya that I also didn't water enough. Oh my gosh, it's just a lot going on here. And this is an Adansonia that I split up and I cut to help it grow new leaves. So maybe I'll talk about that in a different video, but yeah, that guy's bare, but he's growing out new leaves like throughout the whole stem. This baby is popping out new leaves and I can't wait till they all come out so he's finally a plant again. So yeah, this is my sick window or sick shelf, and then you can see that it's pretty crowded, so I'm probably gonna have to move some of these plants out of here. But for now, this is what's going on. Oh, I have a little button down here to turn on the light. Oh, so bright. So you could see what's going on. I water him, so I have to wait to put it back in his bowl. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. Hope you guys followed along, did a little bit of winter cleaning yourself. So this is just kind of a different type of video entirely than I would normally do. If you liked it, let me know. If you didn't like it, don't hurt my feelings. I'm just kidding. I hope you liked it. I hope you guys are cleaning along with me. So we got something done today. Yay! I feel so much better knowing that my shelf is cleaned, and oh my gosh, I should have counted all the plants that I had. Well, I'm gonna do a shelf tour slash my shelf setup in a different video, so I'll probably count then. But yeah, I think they look a lot better. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know if you did, and I'll see you next time. Thanks again. Bye!